garlic beef okra rice casserole, or garlic veal okra rice casserole, or garlic beef okra rice bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef recipes and one of the most unique of the veal recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beef casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef okra recipes and one of the most unique of the beef okra casserole recipes. Today we're going to make garlic beef okra rice casserole. Around 100 grams of okra cut into pieces, around 150 to 200 grams of beef pieces cut into pieces. The next ingredients are around 15 to 20 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 2 to 3 sprigs of curry leaves, 15 grams of ginger, and 10 to 15 garlic cloves. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Salt. You can saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic leaves. Sauce the garlic leaves. salt to taste, salt, salt thoroughly, keep on salting. Thoroughly saute and mix. Spoon of coriander powder, put in half a spoon of chili powder, put in quarter spoon of turmeric powder, thoroughly, put in some curry leaves, salt thoroughly, salt thoroughly, put in salt to taste, salt, put in the sweet thoroughly mix, put in the tomato pieces, thoroughly mix. Put in the okra pieces. Saute it. Keep on sauteing for 10 to 15 minutes. Let them cook for 90 minutes. Stirring in between. Add water if needed. 2 cups of water. Put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook for 15 minutes in the casserole. Now the garlic beef okra rice casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Garlic beef okra rice casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the beef okra recipes and one of the most delicious of the okra casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the beef stew recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice bowl recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.